Hi, ladies. I am jumping on today to, welcome you or prepare you for our challenge that starts tomorrow. This is pre recorded because I had a crazy busy weekend. So I'm actually playing baseball right now with my cousins. I was at a birthday party. I had golf today, crazy busy. Ooh, I'm pre recording and my daughter wants in too. Hi, say hi. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on what to expect for the challenge. So if you're brand new, the first week is prep week, starts tomorrow morning, and basically you don't have to do your workouts yet if you don't want to. Most people want to because they're excited, which is amazing, and I think that's great. Keep the momentum going. If your body's telling you to get into it, then get into it. Work hard, right? That's the whole idea. Get into it, says Emily. But you don't have to. The official challenge begins August 7th, although if you've already ordered your stuff and you have the videos, then why wouldn't you, right? If you're wanting to make that change, you might as well make it now. So you can log those if you'd like. You don't have to log them. Again, it's up to you. August 7th. Yes, she's slightly distracting. I'm not going to lie to you. What I wanted to pop onto today is to talk a little bit about some of the feelings you might be having with the challenge. Sometimes people get nervous. I find sure, thank you. I find the first time that I did a challenge, I was super nervous. I didn't really know what to expect. And I thought, oh my God, they're going to want me to give up wine. They're going to want me to give up chocolate. They're going to make me give up everything that I love, and it's going to be hell. And then I did the first challenge, and really, it's whatever works for you, okay? Some people need to go hardcore or else they'll fall right off the wagon. Some people, like me, need to allow themselves some treats. If I don't have some treats, I'm going to binge. I know this about myself. It's been since I'm young. If I'm too deprived, I'm going to want to eat everything. So it's not appropriate strategy for me. I don't do that. So I eat about 80-20 rule of 80% healthy, 20% not healthy. But I make sure that the 20% that I eat, that's a treat, I really enjoy. So that works for me. This is kind of about finding what works for you, but it's a healthy balance. So please, if you're nervous, it's probably just because it's something new. Don't worry, nothing here is going to be intimidating. I'm completely here for your support only. I'm not here to judge or I know in the past some people have said, oh, I had a personal trainer and they shamed me. I'm like, what? That's not appropriate. It doesn't work typically. Or I feel guilt and blah, blah. Okay, listen, all of these crazy emotions, the goal here for us is to feel better in our bodies and to feel better about ourselves at the end of the challenge. Yes, we'd like to lose some weight or inches or whatever it is that we're looking for. Yes, I want to be able to do some extra push-ups. Yes, I want to feel my body changing. I want to see my energy rise. But the idea here is that we don't want to be bringing bad habits in and bad mental habits, because most of it is actually mindset for me. Listen, my body has changed, but my mindset has changed much more than my body has. And you know what? That is what's making me happy. I love being strong, but I love that I'm happy with where I'm at and that I'm happy with myself and I'm happy that I'm doing positive things for myself. So if you're feeling nervous at all, scratch it if you can, right? I'm here for support. We are all going through this together, and that's why the challenge group is so amazing, because we have all these ladies going through it. So if there's questions, feel free to post and ask, and someone will have had a similar experience at some point. And so that's the thing, right? We're here to lean on one another so that we can get the most out of this challenge and feel great about ourselves at the end of these. It's 28 days if you're working out during prep weekends, 21 if you're just starting on August 7th. Totally up to you. So please comment below if you have any questions or comments, concerns, anything, right? Anything. Sometimes I forget because I've been through so many challenges, and someone will say oh, I don't know how many containers to eat for 21 Day Fix. And I'm like, well, there's an app for that. Did I forget to mention that? Maybe I did, right? So that's the thing. Sometimes there are things that I forget to mention, and usually I cover them in prep week, but sometimes it doesn't always come up. So if there's something and you're unsure and you're wondering what the hell is she talking about, please ask me a question about it. Please comment. Don't sit there. I'm not shy, so you don't need to be. You can message me on Facebook. You can email me, whatever it is. Okay? So anyways, I'm super excited for this one. Shift Shop I love it. I've done a few of the workouts. I'm really liking it. And I haven't been this enthusiastic about a program in a while, because some of the last ones, it was pushing me. It wasn't my style. And so this one is totally in my wheelhouse, and I'm super excited. So hopefully you can find something that you're excited about as well as we push ahead. So anyways, have a great one. Tomorrow there'll be some prep week posts, and feel free to message me if you have any problems or comments, okay? Have a great night.